car. But it's not really like luxury, but it is luxury. I got it because it's giving luxury vibes, and I feel like I can have. Amy, you in the back of my video.
Oh, my bad. I'm hungry.
Okay, I'm almost done. Can you exit, please?
Let me just put my hot dog off 1 second. Got my vegan hot dogs. I'll put it on the boil real quick. Or put it in the microwave, take 10 seconds. Stomach growling in there. Woo.
You done? Okay. Hey girls, hey, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I would love to have you part of the team. So make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the team, because here on my channel the energy is the girls that get it, and the girls that don't, they just don't. And if they don't, girl, we're here to teach them. So on today's video, we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna do a luxury collective. Well, it's kind of like luxury, it's high and low. So a collective haul of a few things that I've gotten over the last few months. Well, not few, a couple of months, and then some of the things are really recent things. So let's just get right into it. I have about, it's not gonna be too big or too long. I just have about 6 items that I wanted to show you all. So let's get right into it. First, we're gonna start off with my actually, I don't know. I don't have a favorite. We're just gonna start off with what I just got as of recently, which was these. So I got the Yeezy 450s. And I'm actually wearing them today, and with this outfit that I have on, and I absolutely love them. So they did come off of StockX, so paid way more than retail for them, but if you know, you know, it's hard to get these retail. So my fiance did just gift me these, and I really love them. They are really comfortable. They fit kind of like a sock. So yeah, I got these. I love them. So I got these as of recently, a few weeks ago, for Christmas, one of my Christmas gifts. So I did want to go ahead and include these. It's funny because I see so many people looking at my feet when I have these on. One lady stopped me in a restaurant the other day. She was like, those look comfortable, but those are some ugly shoes. I'm like, girl, mind your business. You could have kept that to yourself. But anyway, I mean, they are kind of ugly, but once you get into them, you get into them, and they're really cute. So I enjoy them, and they're comfortable, so that makes it all worth the while. Next, let's see. I told y'all we moving right along. This is not about to be one of those long drawn out hauls. Next, I have some of my Fendi X SKIMS package. I'm still waiting. This is the longest that Skims has ever taken with anything that I've ever ordered on there, and it's crazy. Oh, and here's a little tip, FYI. I know that Kim said, or the Skims website said that, well, their what you call it, their social media said once it's out of stock, it's out of stock. That's not true. All you need to do is go on there. They slowly restock things, but they don't send out an email or anything. You just have to go to it. But anyway, so this is what I have as of now. I do have more things coming in. I just have to try to hurry up and order this because I'm like, I just need something. I don't know. I haven't even opened this yet, as you can see. So it is a bodysuit. It's actually cute. So I wanted the long sleeve one, but that was out of stock. So I got the, ooh, this looks kind of big. I haven't opened this yet. So I got the sleeveless one. And it's actually cute, but it looks kind of big. I'm gonna have to try it on. I haven't tried it on yet, but you see the print on there. I think it's cute. I really wanted the neutral one and the black one, but this will work. Like I said, I haven't opened it yet, so this is my first time looking at it, so it does look kind of big. But I did get this because even though it's technically still winter, but I'm in Arizona, so, you know, whatever. Take that how you want. But I have a vision for this for the summertime, for the springtime. when I go on one of my trips out of the country. So yeah, but I'm gonna have to try that on, like I said, because that looks kind of big, and I'm still waiting on other things. I ordered a swimsuit, so I'm waiting on that, and I ordered another bodysuit. But again, make sure you're checking the website. Next, we have some Versace glasses or shades. So these are out of my comfort zone kind of, but like I said, I'm already thinking about spring and summer and out of the country vacations. So when I saw these, I got them because I had a vision for them. And I wasn't even supposed to be getting these. I was on there shopping for other gifts, and then I was like, I need these. So I got these Versace Medusa sunglasses. Look at that, they are so cute. These Versace Medusa sunglasses. This is gonna be so cute in the summertime on a vacation. Look at that vibe it's giving. I can just see it. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, I don't know, but I can see it. It's giving me what I need to give. It's gonna be cute with a cute swimsuit, a cute white swimsuit on vacation, or a neon pink, or just a few different outfits. But I thought they were cute. I was going in between these and the neon green ones, but I just decided to go ahead and get these. You see the detail on it. Versace hit on me like I'm in Illuminati, something like that. Something like, or whatever he had said, whatever he said. So yeah, so that's cute. And it comes with the little cleaning pad thing. So that's real cute. So that's one of the things I recently got like a few weeks ago. And then moving on, the next thing that I got, let me see. Oh, I know. I got from Zara. The bag is a little wrinkled because I had it smushed in. Okay, so next I got something from Zara. Excuse the bag. It was smushed in the back of my car. So I got this peacoat kind of type of thing, and I love it. The quality of this is so thick. I think it's like wool or something. Hold on, wait a minute. It goes all the way down. Well, it kind of stops at your ankles. It's kind of like wool material. And this is definitely giving me like luxury on a budget. Baddie on a budget. Because it was only $49.90. So it was only $50, but this quality is unmatched. I guarantee you won't get this anywhere else. This type of material, this type of quality for $50. Let me see, what are this really feels like wool, so I'm pretty sure it is. I don't know, maybe it's not, but I got a large. I could have went with a medium, but I was trying to debate, like, when you wear things like this, you wear hoodies under it and stuff like that. So I was like, I don't know, I should just get a large so that I can have extra room. So yeah, I love that. Next, let me see, what do we have here? Okay, next I have my, what do you call this? I'm trying to put it back in here because I already used it. All right, I'm currently using it. But I have this. It's a little, what do you call it? Wallet, but it's like another, card wallet. So I have this card wallet that was gifted to me as well. And it is so cute. I love it. I'm currently using it, so I have stuff in it. That's why I was trying to put it back in the thing. But this Louis Vuitton, you see, on each side, it like it's opposite on each side. So it has the 4 slots, and then it has a little slot in the inside right there. And I think this is a authentic, no, it's not, it's just a little thing. But yeah, so I have this, love this. I love little card wallets, so that one is cute. And what else do we have here? And another thing, so if you want to zhuzh up your lifestyle, you know, add a little luxury to your life, but without breaking the bank, you know, get little things like this. Like, it helps, it adds, it makes you, I'm sure it'll make you feel good. You know, if you can't afford the bigger things right now, just get little small things like this. They are still a little bit more expensive, but they aren't as expensive of some of the bigger items. So that is a tip. I would recommend doing little things like this for yourself. Okay, and next we have, actually, no, I got something, again, this is a collective haul, so it's all over the place. I have a little bit of everything. So I got something from Express, and I have been looking for this style of a blazer for a while, and I just happened to go to Express, and it was on sale for 20% off, so I think I ended up paying $109 for it. This gives me like, it's really not giving the shape that it really is, of course, because it's not buckled up. But when it's like all buttoned up and stuff, it is giving Balmain vibes for sure. Definitely Balmain. It has the detailing, the gold detailing right here, the gold detailing right here. This is, I should have made this. Well, I shouldn't have made it a try on haul, but when you button it up, it kind of goes, it like tucks in on the side, so it gives like that Balmain thing. So yeah, this was $100 and something. Also, another tip, you want to like look all fancy and high end and stuff, but without breaking the bank, just get you a nice blazer that you can dress up. Because the thing is, you can dress up a blazer or dress it down. What is that on my screen? And then next, we have Versace, more Versace. More Versace. Ooh, it's coming out of the thing. So I got these Versace shoes. And I love them. I haven't worn them yet, and I have had these for a couple of months now, but I haven't. This is the dust bag. It looks like something is on it. I haven't worn them yet, but I love them. So I got these as well. Look at that. It's the, what do you call it? What kind of shoe? What's the name of this? I don't know, something zip shoe or something. I don't know. But this is the shoe. You see the little zip detail right there. And then it goes around like that. The heel isn't too high, it's just enough. And then look at the back. The back is so cute to me. It has the little emblem, the logo for the Versace logo. So these are really cute. I love these. They're square toe, which square toe is what's in right now. And they did come with 2 dust bags, and then heel tabs in case you need to replace your heel tabs. They get all scratched up and stuff like that. So they did come with this. So someone just sent me a message literally the other day, yesterday, on Instagram, telling me they love how put together I am and things like that, and was asking for tips. What I did say is, what I would recommend is make sure, besides making sure that your maintenance is up to par and things like that, your hygiene, because that's most important, get you a good staple shoe, a good staple bag, or a good staple piece of jewelry. That will automatically sorry, this is about to fall. That will automatically, you know, take things up a notch. And then last, is this the last thing? Yep, this is the last thing. This is what I got. Girl, so you know I had to add this because I needed a new phone and it's new. So I was like, let me just add it. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Girl, the camera on this phone is unmatched. It's worth every bit of it, $1,400. So this is it. And this, I got the color charcoal or something like that, gray. And if you don't have a camera, I would say I would invest in a new phone and you can use your camera, because this camera, the video quality and the picture quality, you can definitely use this for videos. I watch a lot of videos where girls say that they use this camera for videos and to take pictures. I'm about to go outside right now after I finish with this, and I'm going to take some pictures on this phone, because I haven't actually taken any pictures that I've posted on Instagram yet with it, but I've taken pictures and the quality is A1. So I am about to go test it out in just a few, but I did want to include this because this is I wouldn't say a necessity, but it can be, depending on, you know, if you're trying to take your content and things like that to the next level. Highly recommend. So, and it's big. I got the what did I get? The Pro Max. So this is big. Sometimes my hand starts hurting holding this, but I need to get a case. I haven't got a case yet. My hand ashy? Oh no, it's not. That's just the camera. That's what I was to say. Yeah, so that is all that I have right now, as of now, for this collective haul. I did just recently buy a lot of, oh, I forgot one thing. I forgot it. Hold on. I had something from Chanel that I forgot to add or whatever. So what I'll do is I'll include it in the next vlog, because I don't feel like going to grab it and stuff like that. So I'll include it in the next vlog. Click on the next video, because I'm pretty sure the next video will be a vlog. Okay, so I did have one more thing that I wanted to include, but I changed my mind. I can't find it, so whatever. But, so that is going to conclude this luxury collective haul. Kind of luxury, kind of not. A few things are luxury, a few things are whatever. But what I will say is I did just buy a lot more things. I have a lot of things on the way. I did buy a lot of makeup to try out, because I'm trying to try out some new different like makeup items and products and things like that. So let me know if you want to see those products in a haul when they come in. I probably would just include it in a vlog, a haul in the vlog. So yeah, I just want to show you guys a few different things, show you, not you guys, you girls, I mean some guys probably watch, but I just want to show you girls a few different things that I have accumulated over the months, and also give you some tips on how to, you know, live that it girl life without breaking the bank. So I do appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to like this video. I am growing slowly but surely. I should be further along than what I am at this point, because I've had some really successful videos and then I'll stop recording, then blah blah blah. So now I'm trying to be consistent, so I would really appreciate if you help me get into the algorithm. Go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, share the video, and join the team, because as I said, the girls that get it, we just get it.